Hi everyone, I'm Nicholas, co-founder and CEO of F Drones. We are a Singapore-based startup developing large-scale, fully electric and autonomous drones. The problem which we are solving is that sending supplies to ships and offshore platforms are reliant on supply boats and helicopters, which are really expensive, slow, and carbon intensive. They produce more than 100 million tons of CO2 a year, which is the amount of CO2 that Indonesia as one whole country produces a year. Unmanned aircrafts have the potential to change this, but are not yet good enough. That's why we are innovating on the aircraft as a system, developing a drone that can deliver 100 kilograms over 100 kilometers. And it will be 80% cheaper, faster, and greener than using boats or helicopters. We charge per delivery and are pricing 100 kilograms delivery over 100 kilometers at just 1,000 euros. Our final product will be ready in the middle of next year. We have now completed our third prototype, named as Hyperlaunch. Its ability to deliver 5 kilogram loads over 50 kilometers and yet be able to take off and land vertically already puts us amongst the world's best. In fact, in Singapore, we have already started drone deliveries using an off-the-shelf drone with companies such as Eastern Pacific Shipping and Bernhard Schulte Group. EPS is also our first paying customer. F Drones is one of the very few companies in the world to have a beyond visual line of sight drone delivery permit. Come talk to us if you want to make your maritime logistics cheaper, faster, and greener. Remember, F Drones, 100 kilograms over 100 kilometers. Thank you.